Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type here control panel. Open it. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So on this window, select view by as large icons and then just scroll down.
Always scan this section.
Okay, my bad. So just scroll down and click on sound option. And once we are here, we need to do some steps. First of all, right click on the speakers, disable it and again enable it. Once done, select it, go to its properties and make sure we have to set levels tab up to the 100%, and if you see it's crossed, then uncheck this. It means enable this option, and just go to enhancements tab and we need to check this option, that is disable all enhancements. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Close all windows one by one and then just right click here on the star icon, go to device manager. Now open the sound video game controllers, right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab, go to update drivers and select the first option. Once done, close the window, again expand audio input and outputs, go to the speakers, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, go to update driver and make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. If this not work, then just go back, select the browse my computer for drivers. Now click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, then select the audio endpoint, or you can select generic software device, one of them, select next and you can go back and we need to close this window. Once done, just restart your system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our pinned comment or in a description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue, so go and check out. And yeah, like the video and please do subscribe the channel.